In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set vacation response in Fastmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Fastmail like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the right hand side and click on settings up here. Then from here, it should look something like this. And here you can see all of your settings tabs. But if you scroll down to the button under setup, you'll see vacation response. Then from here, you can see here vacation response. Automated responses will be sent no more once every 3 days to the same email address. Spam disregarded mails and messages sent to a mailing list will not be sent a response. Then from here, you can simply enable it right here, and then you can edit the response with the mail, or you can set it to this automatic response right here. Then you can also add the from now, or the start date until either forever or the date off right here. You can also add whether or not you only want the response to send to your contract by clicking on this right here. And as you can see up here, now it is saved. And that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!